Okay, so let me show you another one, which will be for fingers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to strengthen that pinky because that one can be a problem too when we're playing bar chords. You'll use that pinky a lot, and you need it to be on its tip, not collapsing and folding. So we have to address the strength and the independence of that finger as well. And that can be done with a pretty simple exercise that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now each finger gets its own fret, and I'm still picking down up with the right hand. The left hand looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I get here, I just slide up. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. So notice my palm position. My thumb. Now if I jump into a bar chord right there, picking, bar chord. So I'm not doing a bunch of this. My thumb is really stable and on the front of the neck. There's my bar chord. I'm on the tips of my fingers. I've got good pressure, good clearance. Now as you're doing this, these fingers will want to fold and collapse. That's normal. That's just because they're weak. So this will help address that. So when you go to play not just bar chords, but your open position chords, your hand will be in a good position and those fingers won't want to fold over on you. Okay, so play these exercises every day. Do the 1 and 3, maybe 10 minutes, work your way up the neck. Then do the 1, 2, 3, 4. Go slowly, give your fingers a chance to adjust and find their spot, and keep working to get them on the tips of the finger. That means you're going to be adjusting on the back of the neck where the thumb is. Just keep working that thumb and the relationship of the neck to your palm. You want that open, not closed off. All right, have fun. I'll see you next time.